Hi guys, this is your Punjabi chef Prateek Dhawan. Not just any Dhawan, today I am Dhawan. And today we are going to make Kolhapuri style chicken sukka. So let's start cooking. To begin the recipe, first we'll marinate the chicken. For that, first I'm going to add ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, salt, and black pepper powder. Now mix this all together. Guys, the chicken is properly marinated. I'm going to set it aside for a while. By that time, we'll make the Kolhapuri masala. I'm going to dry roast the coconut till it gets golden brown in color. Coconut is golden in color now. I'm going to transfer it into a bowl. And in the same pan, again I'm going to add oil and saute onion and poppy seeds. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add onion, saute it for a while. As the color of the onion starts to change, I'm going to add poppy seeds and cook it for at least 1 minute. Onion and poppy seeds are done. I'm going to transfer them into a jar. To that also I'm going to add desiccated coconut and turmeric and then I'll grind it into a fine paste. After making a sukka masala, let's start with the dish. For that, first I'm going to switch on the gas. To the pan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Oil is hot. First I'm going to add 2 bay leaf. After that, I'm going to add chopped onion. Saute till golden brown. As the onion starts to get golden brown, I'm going to add chopped tomatoes, little salt to speed up the process. We are going to saute the tomato till they get nicely soft and mushy. As the color of the tomato starts to change, it's time to add the chicken. We are going to cook the chicken till the color of the chicken turns from pink to white. The color of chicken has changed. It's time to add the masala. First, I'm going to add the grounded paste which we made earlier. To that, I'm going to add red chili paste, 2 teaspoons Kolhapuri masala. Now saute the chicken with the masala for at least 2 minutes. After cooking the chicken for 2 minutes, I'm going to add little water. Give it a nice stir. Mix the masala nicely. And then cover it with the lid and cook it for at least 5 minutes. Our Kolhapuri sukka is ready. Let's open the lid. To this, I'm going to add roasted coconut which we made earlier. With that, I'm going to add little ghee for flavor, little black pepper powder, and last, little bit of fresh coriander. Give it a big stir. And there you go guys, our scrumptious chicken sukka is now ready. You also do try the recipe, but before leaving, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Get Curried. Goodbye.